Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you top the clause where we can use for limiting the data rows from the query statement. How it can be. The introduction to SQL Server selected top clause. The selected top clause allows you to limit the number of data rows or percentage of rows returns in a query of the result set how you are getting finally. Because of the data, the order of the row stored in a table is unspecified. As you know that, which data record is going to be inserting into the data while inserting the data records. The select top statement is always used in conjunction with the order by clause. Okay, the order how it is going to be using based on the filtering of the like a ascending order or descending order, you can get out of the order, you can get whether it may be top 10, top 1, top 50, as you wish to get the data from the database. Now let's simply see here what's the basic statement of select first name, just a second, select first underscore name, last underscore name from sales dot customers. This is our basic SQL statement with order by first name that you know from our previous lecture. Now, what I'm my requesting instead of getting, and I can also write like filtering the data rows. What are the filters I can put it? How can I get the first top 10 rows from the result set? See, so the limit will supports for MySQL. In the top command will supports here for to fetch in MS SQL. Let's see here. Like just simply I can make it as in a top 10. That's it. Let's fresh F5. You see here within the ascending order, you will get the top 10 records only. If you want to get is in a top 20, you just simply make it as press F5. You will get see the result rows are 20. See 20 results. Likewise, if you want to get like a decent last 20 letters, how it is? ESC top 10. Or we can make it as a 5. We'll see the results in a very easy way. Let's see here. Top 5 of the within the descending order means last 5 records we are fetching from the result set. As well, the database table is also having, if it is an ascending order way, we are able to getting its last records. All right, like scores, percentages. If the column is having such a score of full of the scores and percentages, it's a very easy to get. Like a top one we require within the ascending order. In the first record, we'll get it. Just simply say here. Likewise, you have to apply your mind over here while writing a different manner of the patterns of the queries by changing it, beginning and ending and statements. All the things you can check, keep on the check, and you'll check is in a better result way. Okay. Whereas here it is in one more thing I will tell you. Limit. There is a limit clause is there, like a LIMIT. This is a limit clause is there which will support accurately, full-fledgedly support for like RDBMS databases of MySQL and Postgres and Oracle. It will support the limits clause. Whereas MS SQL is initiated to for the top by taking as the easiest way, making and the mention like a top class they have introduced for the fetching of the limitation of the data rows from the out of the boundary of the result set. Okay, for the pagination purpose it will be useful for the next and all the pages you are getting to the click next, such a way we can write likewise keys like making of this type of SQL query statements and fetching the records of the top 10 and top 20 or top 50 as you wish. And similarly, most of the public way in the dashboards, we can display top of the records of top 3, top 1, top 5, or top 10. By making these type of queries, we can apply there and the making of the some result or some score, top 5 scores and top completions or top acquiring people or whatever it. Based on our criteria, we can make it as a top of the out of the top from the result set. Right. We'll get by making it a 3 or 5, you just simply make it as a number and you will get a result of as a simple 3 records only. And as you know that what are the column names you require and making all the functionalities till now what we have completed. This is the best way to approach the limitation of the data from the data rows, which is accurately output from the result set. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.